You guys wanted more of these stock videos, so let me come back with the top 8 penny stocks to buy. Now, for those of you that understand, and for those of you who follow me on this channel, you'll understand that penny stocks don't have revenue, don't have products, they're deep in losses, and we only trade biopharma penny stocks. For the simple reason is that we can predict the exact date they will go up in value or go down in value, and we know the reason behind that. So, penny stocks don't have revenue, penny stocks are deep in losses. I guess they don't have a product in order for them to have revenue in the first place, but in order to develop a drug or a product, they have to test it to see if it will heal that disease and to see if that medicine will actually work. Now that is the catalyst. That's what's going to spike the stock higher or lower. To see if the stock comes out with an article that says we have tested this drug and it's positive, it works, the stock will go up in value because now investors are going to be attracted to that stock. If they come out with a negative result or negative data, then investors are going to sell, and obviously the stock is going to go down in value. So your job is simple. Find the result, and you'll find that on their company's website, just like I've explained in many of my videos and showed you how to do it. So make sure you watch the rest of my videos if you're new. You find the results on the company's website, analyze it and understand it, and make a decision whether it's a buy, a sell, or if it's a mixed result, you stay on the sideline. So that is the explanation behind these companies that I'm going to give you. So just because the title says top 8 penny stocks to buy, it doesn't mean that you're actually going to have to buy them. You might even end up shorting them or staying on the sideline based on the result or the news. So without further ado, let us begin with the top 8 penny stocks. First stock, SBBP, $4.90. That is mid-2018. Now, most of these stocks don't actually have a specific date because they haven't released it. But SBBP $4.90 mid-2018, so that is August, or in the few days, come a few days. CALA, $4.45 mid-2018. By the way, I'll have all of these stocks in the description, so don't worry. That's mid-2018 also. RDHL, $9.78, August 2018. PRTK, $10.45, August 2018 also. TCON, that's TCON, $2.55, mid-2018. CALA, KALA, $12.23, that is August 24th. So there's a date for that. TGTX, end of summer, August. So end of summer is August, right? SGMO, $13.25, and that is also August. So there's 8 penny stocks here. Your job is simple. Every day you wake up, before the stock market opens and after the stock market closes, you look at their website, put those on your watch list and look at the website, the company's website. When they release an article, your job is to analyze that article just like I've showed you previously in many of my videos, how to analyze it and what to look for. Analyze the article and make a decision whether you're going to buy that stock or short it or stay on the sideline. And that's it. That is you trading. Remember, we never invest in penny stocks because 50% of penny stocks will fail. So for us to invest in penny stocks, we're simply taking a risk and we're gambling. But if you want to do something about these penny stocks, then you trade them. Remember, this strategy has worked since the 80s. So this is the way you're going to do it. Never invest in penny stocks, but trade penny stocks. Because I know some people will look at my previous videos and say, but this stock that you mentioned, it dropped down in value. Yes, because on the day we traded it, we didn't invest in it. So we don't buy penny stocks. Obviously we buy and sell, but we have to trade them, day trade them more specifically. We buy them on the day, sell before the pullback, and we get out. And that is us making the trades. Now obviously penny stocks, there's so much rewards, but also there's so much risk. So just be careful with the way you handle this. I'll see you again for another, just like always. Peace and love. I appreciate you for watching. This was a comeback, you can say, with these penny stock videos. If this video gets 300, 400 likes, if this video gets enough likes, I'll come back with more stock videos. And hopefully we make this channel just about stocks because you guys keep requesting. But otherwise, we'll have diversified videos. I'll see you again for another, just like always. Peace and love, and I appreciate you for watching. Peace.